Are you struggling to find the right header for the C11 function in MSVC 2017? You're not alone. This is a common issue for many developers, and today we're going to unravel this mystery together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to allocate space for an error message, only to hit a wall with missing functions. It can feel like you're running in circles, and trust me, many have been there. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, which header do I need to include for the C11 function under MSVC 2017? They need it for allocating space for an error message obtained with C11. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So, what's the deal with C11? According to the documentation, both C11 and C11 are only guaranteed to be available if specific macros are defined. Unfortunately, MSVC 2017 does not define these macros, which is why you're facing this issue. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a workaround that might just save your day when dealing with error messages in MSVC. To address the user's question about the availability of the C11 function in MSVC 2017, we first need to clarify that this function is not available in that version. The user should be aware that MSVC 2017 does not define the stcxt1 macro, which is necessary for this function. If the user needs to obtain the length of the error message, they can use an alternative approach. One option is to use the sn function on the result of C11, which provides the error message string. Now, regarding the thread safety of C11 under Windows, the user should note that C11 is indeed thread safe. Unlike its counterpart under Linux, which may require the use of C11 for thread safety, C11 is designed to be safe for concurrent use. In summary, the user should remember that while C11 is not available in MSVC 2017, they can still retrieve the error message length using C11 on the result of C11. Additionally, C11 is thread safe, making it a reliable choice for error handling in multi-threaded applications. Fun fact, did you know that the C11 standard introduced several bounds-checked functions to improve safety? It's a great step forward, but not all compilers fully support them yet. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests using Reini Urban's Safe C library. This library includes an implementation of the C11 function, which can help you determine the length of error messages. Here's a quick recap. While C11 is not available in MSVC 2017, you can still manage error message lengths using C11 and C11. This workaround can help you keep your code running smoothly. And there you have it. You've learned how to handle error message lengths in MSVC 2017. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Remember, coding challenges are just stepping stones to becoming a better developer.